Story of an Ice Cube by Amaya. Okay. Once there was an ice cube named Lee. Lee was in the freezer as a solid form. When ice is in a solid form, the molecules can only vibrate. This is a picture of molecules inside a solid. But then Lee felt like going out of the freezer because she was too bored. It was so hot outside that Lee started melting. The ice got heat and got more energy that it turned into a liquid. Here's a picture of molecules in a liquid. The term you use when a solid turns into a liquid is called melting. Now, Lee didn't know what to do because she was melting. But then the heat was rising, and Lee got so much energy, she turned into a gas. The molecules got so much energy from the heat, they were free to move around. Here is a picture of molecules inside a gas. Molecules inside a gas can move freely around. They have a large space. The term you use when a liquid turns into a gas is called evaporation. Evaporation is used when a liquid turns into a gas. Lee started floating in the air since Lee was in a gas form. But in the air, it was so cold that Lee lost a lot of energy and turned into a liquid. The molecules were losing energy since it was cold. Now since you already know how the molecules move in a liquid, I'll just tell you the term you use when a gas turns into a liquid. It's called condensation. When Lee was in the liquid form, she fell from the sky and landed in Antarctica. Lee lost so much energy there that she turned into a solid. That happened because the molecules got no heat. They were cold and turned into a solid. What happened here is that since the liquid lost a lot of energy, it turned back into a solid. That happened because the liquid froze. The term you use is freezing, or you call it the freezing point. That would be it because when the liquid falls from the sky, it lands in a very cold place. That, when it's so cold, the molecules, the intermolecular distance decreases. And then from the liquid, it turns into a solid because of the intermolecular distance. So when the coldness was added, then the molecules in the liquid lost energy. And when they lost energy, they formed back into the solid.